0.4% as a fraction in simplest form. Rewrite this 0.4 times percent means 1 over 100 multiply divided by 100. Look, 10 100 these are called power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 and move decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros is 2, so decimal point will be moved from right to left 2 places. 1 place, 2 place. Decimal 004. You can add one more 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. Now convert this decimal to fractions. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to write 10 as a multiplication. These 3 0 don't have any value. Now simplify this fraction. Divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, 2, 5. Again this is divisible by 2, you will get 1, this is divisible by 2, you will get 5. So 1, 5 times 5, 25 times 10. This is power of 10, right? Just multiply the non-zero digit. 1 times 25, 25, add the 0. The 1 has only one factor, 1 times 1. So 1 has only one factor, which is 1. So the common factor between 1 and 250 is 1. So we can say that this is the lowest term or simplest form or reduced form.